This video is about preparing for the boss visit to the market. Okay, in this video I have given some important points, and it still depends on the visit purpose. You have to add your own points. For example, if your boss is visiting for a new product launch check, then some of the points will change. Okay, in general markets visit tips I have given in this video. Okay, normally and salespeople will get panic when they hear that boss is coming to visit their markets. Okay, but through this video I try to explain all important points you can prepare for your boss visit to a market. Okay, in this section I explained about distribution units, means like autos, vans, tricycles, how to paint, how to poster it, how to decorate, how to arrange a stock in the distribution unit, fast moving product first, promotional product right side, and new product left side, so that the arrangement in the units will make easy to take out the stock fast and deliver fast. It is time management. In this section the other point is records and report. Okay, I have given some tips how to maintain the records in distributor point, your own reports, and how to arrange in the file, like distributor point like target versus achievement, outstanding, market credit, coverage details, etc., and promotional product, etc. The other thing I mentioned in this important thing is about locality working. Okay, area working, which area you are working, how to arrange the area, how to make the displays, how to prepare the retailers, which outlet you are going to start first, which outlet you are going to last. All the things I mentioned in this. In this section, I mentioned important points about product merchandising, product displays, promotion material usage, merchandising working, merchandiser kit, etc. I explained in this section. The other point I mentioned in this section is ideal call. What is ideal call? The people working with the unit, how to use their time maximum usage, and when salesman taking the order, what merchandiser has to do, what company person has to do. I have given some important point. The other important point I mentioned is and how to ask the stocks, what product, what SKU you should ask first, what you ask next, what you have to repeat, then finally how to make the order. I mentioned very. Here I mentioned about sales call, how to make a sales call, and what is the first, what is the last, which item, which SKU you need to ask first. I mentioned about the sales call in this. The other thing I mentioned is target. What is the day target, how to maintain a target sheet, and territory target, a distributor wise target, promotional product target was achievement, etc. I mentioned in this section. Then I mentioned in this section about FMCG ideal call. Okay, what is FMCG ideal call? The people with the distribution unit, how to work, what to work, how to close the call. Then I mentioned about what is productive call and how what are the things you have to see when in a productive call. Just selling one unit of one SKU and is not a productive call. Productive calls you have to see in different ways, like how many SKUs sold, how many brands sold, what is the call value, whether they achieved a discount amount to get the discount. All the things I mentioned in this.